Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change route on Google Maps in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Maps. Make sure that your phone location and Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So at first select your current location and then search for any destination. Then just tap on directions. You can see there are two routes are showing which I can use to reach my destination, and from here you can choose any option. If I select car, you can see there are also two routes are showing. So if you want to switch or change your route, you have to just select another route. You can see dark blue road is selected. So if you want to select the route, just tap here and that's it. You can see it's selected successfully. Also, if you want to select another location and remove your current location, just tap here. From here you can search anything. You can also choose any location from your map. Just tap here and then find your location and place the red mark on the location. Then just tap on OK and that's it. You can see it's selected successfully. Now you can see there are three routes are showing and you can select any route as you want, and that's it. And that is how you can change route on Google Maps in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.